Ayaw, di ba?
One is all for one. Always forever. Always be happy. And vlogger, eat the ice cream.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Vloggers, sabayan ko yun. Okay, good afternoon to all of you once again and thank you very much. And once again, VIP, special guest, ice cream. Tutok!
Saan tala mga puso?
What's up, all the people? Ayun po, si Idol. Idol,
Idol ka po.
Wow! Back to you guys. Okay, nandito po ako. Every day, every hour, always be happy and always smiling because I am with happiness.
Ay, scramble naman tayo, scramble.
Scramble,
Wala.
Mga pala tayo ngayon sa Vloggers Response kay Kulot.
Ayun, makilala mo yan, night eh.
Panawin natin.
Ayun,
Ang
ako
guest po natin si Ice Cream. Ano masasabi mo kay Franz Tuller?
Wala akong masabi kay Franz, basta pogi si Franz.
Franz. Sino?